Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to log in and activate your Hulu account using an activation code. Follow along to get started. Step 1. Open the Hulu app or website. Begin by launching the Hulu app on your streaming device, smart TV, or mobile device. Alternatively, you can open a web browser and go to the Hulu website at www.hulu.com. Step 2. Select Login. On the home page, look for the Login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click or tap it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Here, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Hulu account. Make sure the information entered is correct and press the Login button. Step 4. Access the activation screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section or go to the Activate Device screen within the app or website. This option might be in the Settings menu, depending on your device. Step 5. Locate the activation code. You will see a unique activation code displayed on your screen. Keep this code handy. You'll need it in the next step. Step 6. Visit the activation page. Open a web browser and go to the Hulu activation page at www.hulu.com. Activate. This is where you will input the activation code from your device. Step 7. Enter the activation code. On the activation page, enter the code you obtained in Step 5. After entering the code, click Activate to sync your device with your Hulu account. Step 8. Confirmation. If the code was entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message stating that your device has been successfully activated. You can now start enjoying Hulu content on your device. Step 9. Troubleshooting, if needed. If you encounter any issues, double-check that you've entered the activation code correctly. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. If problems persist, try restarting the device or consult Hulu's Help Center. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on how to log in and activate Hulu using an activation code. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Happy streaming!